I love going to graduation. Watching them celebrate what they've been able to accomplish and then celebrating their successes on the back end is such a rewarding experience that I don't think a lot of educators get a chance to see.
So graduation is both a celebration and a bit of sadness for me. I likely won't see them again in the course of my life, and I hope for them a great life. But it's also very exciting to see that they have accomplished what they set out, and that's they finished what they started.
I really loved all the teachers I had. They were super kind, and they always got to know me so well that they became like family to me. So it's going to be hard to leave behind the school.
It's an emotional experience, and I'm already overwhelmed watching them get ready for their graduation. I already shed some tears at the graduation bash, and I still have some left for their big day here today. I am so proud of my students.
Best night of our careers. It's everybody's so happy. Seeing how proud they are, getting our students to speak, seeing them take their honors. There's nothing better in the world. I love this. I love the students. I love SCC.
Very, very proud. We had a lot of graduates here tonight, and to see them finishing one chapter of their education, it's nothing but a benefit to the community, so we're extremely proud of them.
What a great night. So proud of our faculty, so proud of our staff who put this together. The students had an amazing evening. Their smiles said it all, and the families coming up to me afterwards just warms my heart.